Hello and namaste to everyone. So in my last arithmetic progression video, I have discussed question number 8 of exercise 5.2. So today in this video I am going to start with question number 9 of chapter 5, exercise 5.2, class 10 NCERT CBSE textbook. So let's start with question number 9, exercise 5.2. Page 106. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? So they have given you A3 is equals to 4 and A9 is equals to minus 8, and I need to find out 0 is which term of this arithmetic progression. See, we have this formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's put n is equals to 3, I get a3 is equals to a plus 2d, which is equals to 4. From here I get a3 is equals to 4. In the similar manner, a9 is equals to a plus 8d, n is equals to 9, and I get this equation which is equals to minus 8. This is first, this is second. 2 minus 1 will give me the value of common difference because a and a will get cancelled. So a plus 8d minus a minus 2d is equals to minus a minus 4. That gives me 60 is equals to minus 12. That gives me d is equals to minus 2, right? What is the value of common difference here? Minus 2. Now can I find out the value of first term? A plus 2d is equals to 4. That was our first equation, and d is equals to minus 2. So I will put that in this equation. I will get a plus 2 into minus 2 is equals to 4. A minus 4 is equals to 4. A is equals to 4 plus 4, that is equals to 8. So a is equals to 8 and d is equals to minus 2. Now what do I need to find out? Which term will be 0 for this AP? Let us suppose that 0 is nth term. Then I can say an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 0, right? Assuming this is an nth term. So an is 0. A is 8. We have find out n minus 1. D is minus 2. So 0 is equals to 8. Multiplying this and opening the bracket, minus 2n plus 2, minus 2n minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, right? Minus 2 into n is minus 2n, minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So 0 is equals to 10 minus 2n. That gives me 2n is equals to 10. Taking this to the side, right? That gives me n is equals to 5. So 0 is fifth term of this arithmetic progression. Let's move on to 10th question. The 17th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Now see what it is saying. 17th term is going to exceed the 10th term by 7, means 17th term is going to be equal to 8n plus 7, right? 17th term is going to be equal to 8n plus 7. And what I have to find out? Common difference d. Can I find out? Let's see how I can do it. Again using the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d and putting n as 17 here. I get a17 equals to a plus 16d. If I put n is equals to 10, I get a10 is equals to a plus 9d. Right? Let's put from first and 2. Let's put in equation 3, which is this. Okay? I will get a plus 16d is equals to a plus 9d plus 7. A and A will get cancelled, right? Then I will have 16D minus 9D is equals to 7. That gives me 7D is equals to 7. That gives me D is equals to 1. So the common difference for this question is going to be equal to 1. Let's move on to 11th question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? So they are saying that here is an AP 3, 15, 27 and 39, so on, right? Which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? So they are like, let us suppose that that term is nth term of this AP. Then I can say they are asking me, I have to find out which term of an AP will be 132 more than 54 term. So if it is nth term, then an is equals to a54 plus 132, right? Okay. Now see, let's try to find out the value of a54 using this. Can I say a is equals to 3 here? Then what will be d equals to 15 minus 3, that is equals to 12, right? So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. If I put n as 54, will I get value of a54? a54 is equals to a plus 53 into d, right? A plus 53d. A is what? 3. 53 into 12, right? What is 53 into 12? 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, and into 53, that is 6, 3 and 6. 636 plus 3, that gives me equal to what? 639. So A54 is what? 639. A54 is 639. So I am putting that here. 639 plus 132. That gives me 639 plus 132, 9, 10, 11, 3, 3, 6 and 7. That gives me AN as 771. Now I have to find out what is the value of n here. So again, using the formula, I can say a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to 771, where a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 12 is equals to 771. 3 plus 12n minus 12 is equals to 771. That gives me 12n minus 9 is equals to 771. 12n is equals to 771 plus 9. 12n is equals to 780. That gives me n is equals to what? 12. I think 12 6 is 72. So if you are going to divide this, then what you will get? So basically n is equals to 780 by 12. So 780 divided by 12. 12 6 are 72. And this is I get here 8 and 2 60 and 12 5 is 60. So what I get? N is equals to 65. Right? So 771 is the 65th term of this arithmetic progression. So the answer for this question is 65. Let's move on to 12th question. arithmetic progression have the same common difference. The difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 terms? Okay. Let us say there are two AP, A1, A2, A3 till AN. Another AP is B1, B2, B3 and Bn. Right? Now, for this arithmetic progression, A 100, again using the formula An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right? For this AP, can I use A is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D? Right? Because this is, last term is An and An is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now let's put N is equals to 100 here. Okay? I get A100 is equals to A plus 99D. In a similar manner, can I write for this that Bn is equals to B plus N minus 1 into D? Right? Using our general formula, here is the nth term, here is the first term, here is N minus 1 and here is common difference T. Now, what will be B100 equals to again? B plus 99D, right? Where A and B are the first term respectively of these series. Now, the difference between their 100 term is what? Now, this is first equation, this is second equation. So, we are finding out the difference between them. That's 1 minus 2 will be A plus 99D minus B minus 99D. Then this and this will get cancelled, right? And what we have? A100 minus B100 is equals to A minus B, which is equals to 100. As given in the question, difference between their 100 term is what? 100. So let's keep this. A100 minus B100 is equals to A minus B is equals to 100. What will be the 1000 term of this AP? It will be 8000 is equals to A plus 999 into D. Using the formula A is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. If I put the value of N as 1000, I get A plus 999 into D. In the similar manner, B1000 is going to be equals to what? B plus 999 into D. Right? Using the same formula and putting the value as value of N is 1000. Now let's subtract this. Because we have to find the difference between their 1000 term. So 8000 minus 3000. That is 3 minus 4. Will be equals to what? A plus 999D minus B minus 999D. Right? This and this will get cancelled. Then I get what? A1000 minus B1000 is equal to what? A minus B, which is equal to what from here? From here I can clearly say that A minus B, this is very important, that A minus B is equals to what? 100. So the difference between their 1000 term is nothing but 100. I hope this question is clear to you. And with this, we have completed the 12th question of exercise 5.2. If you have any doubts here, please leave it in comment section. Thank you and enjoy learning.